We're going to work in Sahara crossing today, and I want to start off with a little bit of review at number 43. I want to remind you that when we play two notes together at the same time, it is called a double stop. And this is a musical term that you're going to want to memorize as a string player. So for 43, it uses our D and A. And basses, you'll have first finger on the G string to make that A. Everybody else, we're using the D and A open strings. Roll your bow so it touches both strings and try to play them so that both of the notes are equal in volume. Test it out. Now look at 43 and notice that these double stops have the sideways V. So now we are going to pinch the stick a little tighter together and explode with a fast rate of speed on both sets of the double stops so that we can have those accents. Let me demonstrate this at 43. So I started off with the pinched stick to the hair for the accents, and then I went to a normal bow for the rest. Let's play this together. Here we are at 43. 3, 4. High D, C sharp. Bow circle. Half note. Two, three. Let's play from 43 to 52 again. If you're on a larger instrument, and even some violins and violas, you might have to do a mini shift to readjust your hand from the flat up to the high D and C sharp. Set yourself up for 43. Pinch the stick together so we can do these accents and have your B flat ready to land. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play 2 E flats on the D string. 1, 2. And now adjust your hand to be able to reach the F sharp. Cellos and bass players may have to do a mini shift to reach all the way to the F sharp. Here's the F sharp. 1, 2. Back to the E flat. 1, 2. Adjusting to the F sharp. 1, 2. That is an unusually large interval. An interval is the distance between two notes, and this one has a special name. It's called an augmented second. You don't have to memorize that term. I just like to teach you extra things. Let's play together at 52 just for 2 measures to try to make sure we can get this E flat and F sharp. 3, 4. 3, 4, E flat. F sharp. Okay, if you didn't sound the same as mine, check how you adjusted your fingers. Let's do that again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, flat. Sharp. Another musical term you'll want to memorize is tie. A tie connects 2 notes of the same pitch, and it works like musical addition. This note is normally 2 counts, and this is normally 1 count. But when we use the tie, it makes them a 3-count note. The reason the composer had to use a tie is because the bar line gets in the way. So look at measure 52 and notice that we have a lot of these ties right here. Let's try right at 52. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie. 1, 2, 3, 4, C natural. Let's do that much again. So watch out, we're using F sharp on D string, but C natural on A string because of our key signature. Here we are at 52 again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, flat. Adjust. 1, 2, 3, 4, C natural. Flat. Now we're going to play from 52 all the way to the end of 62. Set yourself up for that. Find measure 35. This one has ties exactly like we just worked on, but it also has eighth notes, and it can be tricky to figure out the exact speed to play the eighth notes. I'll demonstrate. 3, 4, 1. Since the eighth notes start appearing on count 2, I recommend thinking 1 and on count 1 to help you know exactly how fast to go. Let me demonstrate again, and I will say 1 and out loud. 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. Now let's try this together. Set your bow on the string and look at the 35. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 1, 2. Let's do that one more time at 35. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 1, 2. Now we're going to play from 35 all the way down to the end of 62. Try to peek ahead if you are comfortable with the notes and rhythms to the next measure to help you figure out what's coming next. So set up your high D, find your eyes at 35, and here we go. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 3, 4, 1 and. 1, 2. One, 2, 3, bow lift, double stops. High D, bow lift. Half note. 1, 2, 3, bow lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull back. 2, 3, set F sharp. Adjust C sharp.